On today's Disney Roundup, the food guide for the 2024 EPCOT International Festival of the Arts, a new addition is made to Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and a look at this year's D23 Gold Member Collector Set. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with parks news, with it just being a few days until the EPCOT Festival of the Arts begins, Disney has shared a look at this year's food guide. This year's EPCOT International Festival of the Arts begins this Friday with 18 different food studios. Don't forget to grab a festival passport to indulge in the returning wonderful walk of colorful cuisine. At the Deconstructed Dish, they will have the returning Deconstructed BLT and Deconstructed Key Lime Pie. Cuisine Classique has a beef Wellington and cast iron roasted mussels. Also returning this year, Figment's Inspiration Station at the Odyssey Art, Food, and Little Spark of Magic will have a blueberry-filled pastry tart with purple icing, a rainbow cake with freeze-dried Skittles, and a new Imagination Pavilion Figment Premium Popcorn Buckets with rainbow popcorn. New to this year, the Craftsman's Courtyard has grilled pork belly and skirt steak on a grilled French roll. Pastoral Palette has a red wine braised beef short rib and a Black Forest cake. Over at the artist table, you can find the duck and dumplings and hummingbird cake. Tangerine Cafe Flavors of the Medina has grilled kebabs with carrot chickpea salad and garlic aioli, and a chocolate cake with pomegranate mousse and pomegranate whipped cream. At Vibrante and Vivito and Canto Casina, you can find a chorizo and potato empanada along with a passion fruit filled mango cheesecake. Gourmet Landscapes has roasted beets with goat cheese, petite lettuce, blackberry gastrique, and spiced pecans, a roasted bone marrow, and a wild mushroom risotto. Refreshment Port will have noshi poutine with red wine, braised beef, cheese curds, and the Artist Palette Jumbo Chocolate Chip Cookie. You can find the Neapolitan Dessert Trio, Chocolate Tart, Vanilla Bean Cheesecake, and Strawberry Mousse at Deco Delights. Returning this year at Pop Eats is the Tomato Soup with Grilled Cheese, the Tomato Soup with Pimento Cheese, Bacon, and Fried Green Tomato Grilled Cheese, along with new to this year, the Rock the Dots White Chocolate and Orange Mousse with Vanilla Bean Chiffon Cake. At Goshiki, you can find a Wagyu bun, the Sushi Donuts, and Ichigo Mochi. The Painted Panda will offer General Tso's Chicken Shumai, a Char Siu pork bun, and sesame balls with red bean paste. And Funnel Cake has the Crazy Chocolate Funnel Cake Sandwich. This year's Festival of the Arts returns from January 12th to February 19th, and if you'd like to check out the full food guide, I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Said to open later this year, a new addition has been made to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. The next time you visit Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World, be sure to look up while passing Tiana's Bayou Adventure for a new update featuring a custom handcrafted weather vane by Louisiana's master and blacksmith, Daryl Reeves. What sets Princess Tiana's weather vane apart is it's crafted by using centuries-old techniques with subtle African flair. You can feel the love Daryl and Karina have poured into this smoldering iron to shape it into a masterpiece. One of Walt Disney Imagineering's highest priorities is to bring the authenticity of New Orleans to Disney parks and resorts to immerse guests in this new inspiring tale. When you visit Tiana's Bayou Adventure, they want you to feel like you're taking a trip down the Louisiana Bayou in a way only Disney can bring to life. Set to return this month, Disney has shared a return date for World of Color 1. Now showing on the Disneyland website, Disney has shared when World of Color will return to DCA. Starting as of January 8th, World of Color 1 will be closed for refurbishment until January 18th. On the Disneyland calendar, it then has the nighttime show with posted show times the following day on January 19th at 9 and 10:15 p.m. As to when the original World of Color show will return has not been shared at this time. Now on outside the parks news, with the new year just beginning, Disney has shared new discounts and offers for guests staying on property at Walt Disney World. Starting as of January 3rd, 2024, Disney Plus subscribers can get a free dining plan when purchasing a non-discounted 4-night, 4-day Walt Disney Travel Company package that includes a room at a select Disney Resort hotel and theme park tickets with park hopper option. This offer is valid for arrivals most nights from July 1st through September 30th of this year. There are even more offers available for those looking to book their Walt Disney World vacation. You can save up to 35% at select Disney Resort hotels when you stay 5 nights or longer longer, most nights March 25th through October 3rd. Additionally, annual pass holders can save up to 35% on stays most Sundays through Thursday nights from January 1st through February 22nd, most nights February 25th through March 24th, and most nights from March 25th through July 7th. If you want to check out any of the details on these offers, I'll leave links to those in the description down below. Now into company news. Following last year's Mickey Mouse Leader of the Club milestone statue, D23 Gold members will receive another Mickey figure in this year's Gold member collector sets. D23 is delighted to bring you a mystery box filled to the brim with the most mesmerizing magic available to all new and renewing D23 Gold members in 2024. D23 Gold members will receive the Sorcerer Mickey Mouse collectible figurine in their Gold member collector set this year. Along with that will also include a magical mystery character collectible figurine, either of the Genie, Maleficent, Merlin, or Mama Odie. Members will also receive 2 randomly selected D23 enchanted object pins, those being of either Genie's lamp, King Triton's trident, Madame Leota's crystal ball, Maui's fishhook, Miguel's guitar, the Madrigal family candle, or Isma's llama potion. Lastly, guests will also get the D23 Deck of Destiny playing cards. Just in time for D23, the official Disney fan club's 50th anniversary, a fresh membership card, and certificate featuring Sorcerer Mickey will be included for all new and renewing Gold members. Alright everyone, that's all for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all for this week. Until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.